Welcome to Cycle News issue 13, brought to you by CD.
We have a riding review on the Yamaha Niken GT. See what we think of this unique three-wheeled machine.
We also have a track test of the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. This is an amazing sport bike and we share all of the details. The second round of the 2019 MotoGP Championship took place in Argentina and Marc Marquez sped off with his first win of the season. Valentino Rossi thrilled his fans by coming out on top of a battle with Andrea Dovizioso for second. In Supercross action, Cooper Webb extended his 450SX points lead by winning the Triple Crown event in Houston. Marvin Musquin and Dean Wilson rounded out the podium. Ken Roczen's hopes for a championship took a big hit when he crashed on the start of the second of three main events. In 250SX action, Dylan Ferrandis won his second event in a row and close to within 5 points of Adam Cianciarulo, who finished fourth after multiple crashes during the second and third main events. RJ Hampshire and Colt Nichols rounded out the Houston podium. You'll find all this and a lot more motorcycle events, news and commentary in this week's issue. It's always free and always every week. Click on the link for more.